Hi there, YouTubers. Roger back at you from Gateway Cycles here in beautiful Mount Sterling, Kentucky. It is a fantastic day today. Our new line of vehicles, the CF Moto line, has just arrived, and these things are awesome. I thought I'd shoot you guys a quick video to let you check it out. The vehicle you're looking at right now is the Z Force 1000. This thing has 79 horsepower, 60 foot-pounds, and comes pretty well equipped straight from the factory. Give you guys a quick walk around here. Comes standard with a 2-inch receiver hitch there. Give you a close-up of that. Comes standard with a nice decaled top as well. Well, we got 14-inch wheels here with stag tires on them. Good looking profile of this machine. Let me get a shot up front here for you. Nice aggressive stance. Got about almost 12 inches of ground clearance. Does come standard with a winch. Give you a shot of that. And let me get in here and crank this thing up, let you guys hear it a little bit, and show you this nice digital dash we got here. More videos to come, guys. This is the first one. I took it out and roaded this thing. It has some great acceleration. Come on down and visit us here at Gateway Cycles in beautiful Mount Sterling. Check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button. That'll help us get more videos out to you. Have a great day, guys. Come and see us.